building lesson series. If you don't happen to know what an e-commerce website is here, we have to let you know that we're going to be using PHP, which is a dynamic scripting language that we're going to use to build our shopping cart, and language, which is a necessary thing for a system like this. And we're using MySQL database, which is also a necessary thing for a system like this. Both are free and open source, and they work on pretty much any website host server online. Painless, even if you don't know it or haven't worked with those technologies before. Alright, so to be able to understand what we're doing when we're laying out things on a web page. And I'm going to be working in Dreamweaver. See, same thing pretty much. So there won't be very much difference, even if you're working in Dreamweaver 8 from way back when. Pretty much same thing. Or if you're working in Notepad++ or something like that, we're going to release all this source code so you won't have any issues with what we were typing out. Maybe you didn't see some period or dot or semicolon that was in 3. So I'm working in Dreamweaver CS4 to assemble all the source code for this system. Alright, let's start banging out some pages now. Let's create a new... Actually, before we start making any pages, let's just go to our desktop or any location on your computer where you want to set up your store. And let's put a new folder. I'm going to call it My Online Store. So that'll be the main root folder for my website. Let's go to Dreamweaver and let's create a new PHP file. File save as. Find that folder you just made where it's empty inside. We're going to put in index as a title for this PHP document. If you're creating in Dreamweaver, you see we have index.php. That's the home page of your website. There's the code view, there's design view. Now, we're not going to set up the home page just yet. We're going to lay out every page and script that the whole system is going to need to run at a basic level, and then we'll go adding things to the pages that we need.